Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and we are going to do a drawing. Okay, who is going to take home Sudden? Well, that's easy. We've only had one person that wanted that painting, and that is Lorraine Rodriguez. Congratulations, Lorraine. You have won that canvas. You will just have to pay shipping. Let me know, email me if you are still interested, and we will set up payment for shipping. Congratulations. Okay, now is the haunted house with the glow-in-the-dark drills. Isn't that so cool? It's just too dark of a canvas for me. But there is only three of you. There's three of you that are eligible for it, because Lorraine also said she wanted the haunted house, but she is not eligible for the haunted house because she won Sudden. So that leaves three of you. So I have the spinner spinning. I'm shuffling. Whoops, what did I do? Okay. All right, you ready? Good luck. Spin. Number 2. Who is number 2? Kathy Tusk. Congratulations. Email me at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and I will get you invoiced with that PayPal and get that canvas out to you, Kathy. Congratulations. Okay, everybody, that is what I have. So I am going to continue with my pumpkin and get this video up. Thank you, everyone. Get ready for the next canvas at 8 o'clock. I'm so excited. Oh, there is no picture in the thumbnail because I forgot to take a picture of the canvas before I wrapped it up. So you have to watch it so you know what you're voting on. Okay. I'm not voting. Telling me if you want it. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm so glad you're here. But be kind to everyone you meet. Bye.